Installation of Moodle in local desktop.
Let's extract the Moodle. The extract process will create 3 files: Start Moodle, Stop Moodle, and README, and a subfolder called Server. Now we are ready to start the web server. Use the startmoodle.x file to open, start your web browser and type localhost. The initial install page will be displayed after you type localhost. The paths for Moodle installation are shown. If you are only using this as a local testing server, accept the ones that are on screen. In database settings, fields are populated with some suggested values. Select Next button to continue. Select Continue once read with copyright information. The install process checks the server is installed. The installation process started now. Complete install packages are available from moodle.org. The video is designed for new installations on a standalone computer. The complete install packages allow Moodle to be installed, along with the prerequisites that includes a web server, Apache, database, MySQL, scripting language, PHP and Moodle all wrapped in the Symbiote shell. The above process stops with admin user profile settings which needs to be filled out. Fill out the required fields in administrator user profile. Select Update Profile to continue. The next screen is the front page settings page. There are 2 parts to it. The first part will ask for your full site name and a short name for the navigation bar. There is also a place for a description. The second part on the bottom instructs Moodle if you will disable the new user self-authentication through email process. The default is to disable. This can be changed later in the site administration block. Now we successfully installed our Moodle LMS in local environment. Subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notification of new video.